How to reset your Kohl's password. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow up in order to reset it. So let's just dive right into the video and get started with the process. So we can start by going to the Kohl sign-in page. This is the official page that you can head over to. After that, directly look at the sign-in option, usually in the top right corner, this one right here, and click on it. Once we've clicked on it, we should be headed to this section. First of all, we can enter the email address that we used in order to create our account that is associated with our course account and click on continue. After that, Kohl will check your email. And first of all, enter up our password and click on sign in. Since we have forgotten our password, we can click on this option called forgot your password and click on reset. After that, you can confirm that you would like to reset your password. Click on yes, reset my password, and Kohl will send you a passcode reset to your email, the link. So you can just go over and look out for the link. This one right here. After that, you just need to go and click on this option called reset my password and confirm it up, and it will take you to a page where you can create up a new password. So go ahead and enter up your new password here and confirm this up by clicking on this option called reset password. Make sure it's strong, at least 8 characters including uppercase, lowercase, and a number. And then you can head back to the main sign-in page once again, and again head over and sign in using your new password, and that way you should be able to sign in very easily. You can also check your spam or your junk folder if you did not see the email within a few minutes. But usually this is how you do it. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.